Okay guys, we got a 10-pill custom built box. So here's the stuff I took out of it. Put 10 new transistors in it, completely redone it, retuned it, reset it up. When I got it, it's pretty rough shape. Everybody's gonna say, well, who's the builder? I don't care who the builder is. I guarantee you, whoever the builder was, it wasn't in the shape it was in when I got it. This is in pretty bad shape. It had a bunch of hands in it. But anyway, we got it up and going. You got it working right. Got it tuned right. Got it fixed right. And that's all that matters. It don't matter who built it or who did what or who said what or whatever. You care less. I guarantee you the name on the front of it didn't build it. And I guarantee you whoever built it didn't leave it like it was when I got it. But there it is, 10 new pills. All tuned up, tuned out, fixed up. Good to go. Alright, we're going to look at our straight 30 SWR. Worldwide, almost zero, right at it. Burn the wheel. Turn it on, radio drive, and put SWR. Worldwide, almost zero. 5-watt reverse. Worldwide, radio drive. Well, nothing, of course, we need to do that. 1000-watt slug, PEP, we're just regular radio driving. 1000-watt slug, reading the bottom scale. Worldwide, 300 peak, you know, on down. I'm going to turn the driver on, so I'm going to Texas start. You can drive a little bit harder. We're not going to. Here's what we're going to put into it. 1000-watt slug. PP, worldwide, we're going to put 200 peak into it, okay? You can put 300 in and do more than what it's fixing to do. Turn it on. Input it with the driver on. Worldwide, still extraordinary good. Hello, is it going down? That's a good thing. 5-watt reverse. Output reflex, driven. Worldwide, listen to what? 1000-watt slug, average power. Worldwide, go dash. Worldwide. And y'all know I'm not a big believer in average. I could care less what one does on average, but everybody wants to see it, so I show it. It's the way it is. I'm here to work for y'all. 2500 watt PEP. Bird. Reading that top scale. 500, 10s, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, so on. All the way in the corner is 25. Worldwide. PEP. Everything's getting cool and happy. No 10 on smoke. No imbalance smoke. But there she is. Quick review. Custom 10 pill. Repaired, retuned, rebuilt, repaired, fixed, whatever you want to call it. Alright folks, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis. Catch you later.